Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set screen lock on Samsung M35 device. Well, by setting a screen lock, you can prevent unauthorized individuals from tampering with or accessing your data, apps, and settings. This helps maintain the integrity and security of the information stored on the device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. So, scroll down, then select Lock Screen and AOD option. And within this page, choose the first option available, which presents 4 screen lock options. The first option is a PIN. Okay, enter a PIN with a minimum of 4 digits and confirming the entered PIN. Okay, moving on to the next method, there is a password option. Okay, input a password with a minimum of 4 characters and confirm the previously entered password. Okay, and then the third option is a pattern. Create a pattern by connecting at least 4 dots on the screen. Then confirm the pattern to set it as your screen lock method. So, lastly, the fourth option is swipe, where you can unlock the screen by simply swiping across the screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set screen lock on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.